Hello guys, and welcome back again to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick guide how to use the calculator app right on your iPhone. Of course, yeah, for some people, they might say that it's not like that. We could say complicated or that powerful. Of course, it is powerful, okay? But for some people, they still do not know how powerful is this one, right? And how they can use every, we can say, feature available within this great app. Okay, so it comes by default, right, on your device. So let's open it, right? And then the first thing that you'll have here is just the basic calculator, right? Of course, I mean, if you tap on this calculator app available here from the bottom, okay, it gives you 4 options, okay? So the first one is just like the basic one, if you want to do like just like a normal calculation, okay, and then you'll be able to have the result. I mean, okay, here. Now tap again, right, and then you can move to right or switch to the scientific one, right, which is actually for the scientific people, right, when they have like more complicated, we could say, I mean, calculations to do, right? All the, we could say scientific symbols are available here, right? And then tap again, right, and then let's move to the math notes, okay? Now you will be headed to the notes app, all right, and then do a math note, right, depending on your need. Okay, now instead of using the keyboard, right, just tap on the pen icon available here, right, choose the pen, right, style and the color, right, and then let's just try like a simple one, right? Let's say 2 plus 2, okay, equals, and then it gives me the result, I mean, automatically, right? Now tap on any number available here, right, and then you'll have this option, okay, which, right, you can I mean, change the number, right? Now here, if you move like let's say, okay, if you swipe it like to the left, okay, then it, I mean, makes the number bigger, right? And then swipe it to the we can say the right, and it makes it smaller, right? So it depends, right, and it's up to you. Now if you tap on done, right, here, right, then, right, go back, right, you'll see that all the, we could say, the notes that you have done, right, will be saved automatically to the notes app, right? So even if you go out of the calculator app, right, and then open notes, okay, now you have this option available here which says math notes, okay. Now tap on that one and then you will see your results that you've already done previously by the calculator app. All right, so this was actually, we can say, the math notes. Okay, now let's go to the basic one right back, okay, and then tap again, and then let's move to the last option which says convert, right? Now when you convert, or what is this one, right? So we have more than one thing to convert, right? Now let's start from the left, right, which is the angle. All of these options are available, right? And the area, okay, I mean, this is a, this is incredible sometimes, because for like, we could say, going between different units, okay, and converting them, we had to actually use like sometimes Google and other we say sources, okay. But now you can do this while only using, we can say, calculator app available by default on your device, okay. Now for the currency, right, the data, the energy, the force, right, and more options available here. All of them, all right, fuel, length, power, pressure, speed, temperature, time, volume, weight, okay. Let's go to the temperature, and we can see Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin available. All of these like for free on your iPhone with one powerful, we can say, app that comes by default, all right, which is the calculator. The last thing that I have to mention is that tap on this, we can say, all these 3 lines available on the top right, left corner, right, and you will have all the results, right, that you've done before, right. So you can edit, right, and then delete them, okay, or we can say one by one, right, or just clear, right, and then clear the history, and that's it, right, guys. It is not only, we can say, it's not only the vertical view that you can have, right? You can do this also, right, if you want to have the horizontal view, okay? And that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked it, and share with your friends if you like it, all right? And please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. See you next time. Bye-bye.